So hello mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, ako po ito. Lalagay ko lang yung sarili ko dito sa Gedly. Time check muna tayo date and time yan. Anong oras na ngayon? Para lang alam nyo. Yan, hindi ko naman yan malilin lang. Right now is April 26, 2024. 12:20 a.m. Okay? Kailangan ko lang i-upload ngayon to kasi malamang pagka bukas ng umaga baka ibahin na to or i-revamp. Okay? Gusto ko po ay sabay-sabay tayong magpapatunay dito. Ngayon, itatago ko muna yung sarili ko at babalik tayo dito sa website na to. Etong website na po nito, ang pangalan nito ay franklinmiano.com/TAOMM. Basically, pag tinanggal nyo to, pupunta siya dito sa kanyang website. Okay, website niya yan. So, backspace lang natin, balik ulit tayo dito. Now, ano po ang reason kung bakit po ako nagkakaroon ng emergency broadcast? Kasi po, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, ito pong website na to ay kinopya lang po ito dito. Jaran. As in, word for word. Ayan, ito naman, ito para puntahan nyo to, acquisition.com. Ayan. shop.acquisition.com. Pakita natin sa viewers natin. Ito yan. Ito yung website na yan. So, pag pumunta ka sa shop.acquisition.com, para walang daya, yan ang pupunta ka dyan. So, tingnan mo. Discover the secrets of organic marketing. Okay? Tapos, ayan, ito tingnan nyo. Discover the secrets of 100 million leads. Learn how to generate leads to ready to buy whatever. Ito yung isa. Basahin nyo to. Learn to generate sales without using paid ads. Okay, rated 4.9 by 1078 ratings. Tingnan nyo, sobrang parehas mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Rated on Amazon, di ba? May konting 1078. Ano yung 1078 na yan? Buy the book now. Ayan. Sold over 20,000 copies worldwide. Sold, binabaan. So, ito yung pinaka sa tingin kong daming evidence na talagang pinagkopyahan nila to. Okay, so ito po yung kay Franklin Miano. Frank's book is an absolute masterclass in how to get customer. He explained each concept easy to understand, concise manner that is straight to the point with executable action steps in each sections. This book will become the staple of the business world. Justin C. Verified Customer. Lipat tayo dito. Alex's book is an absolute masterclass that get leads. He explained the concept in an easy to understand, concise manner that is straight to the point, which is executable action steps in each section. This book will become a staple in the world of business. Ayan, Lance. Tignan mo. Dinagdagan lang ng konti, pero basically ganun din yon. O next, eto, baka kilala nyo tong si Carl Vincent, Verified Customer. I paid 250,000 for the lesson. This book is 1,500. Book teaches and by the way, it's free for an audio on podcast. Thanks, Frank. Tingnan natin dito. I paid 2,500 for the lesson. This $20 book teaches and by the way, it's free for audio on the podcast. Thanks, Alex. Mask Zero Verified Customer. Okay? Tingnan nyo, babasahin natin lahat para walang kawala talaga. Frank's expertise, generosity, and gratefulness for everything he knows has come through in everything he produces. There aren't a lot of straight shooters out there in the world anymore, and this guy is an eagle eye. Sara De Jesus, Verified Customer. Tingnan natin sa acquisition.com. Alex expertise and generosity and gratefulness for everything he knows has come through in everything he produces. Has come through everything he produces. There aren't a lot of straight shooters out there in the world anymore. On this guy is an eagle eye. Si Justin Sugranes, Verified Customer. Parehas na parehas. Eagle eye. 2,500. Ito, on the podcast. Thanks, Alex. Ayan, for audio on podcast. Thanks, Frank. This book will become the staple of the staple in the business world. This book will become the Pare, seryoso ba yan? Tingnan natin. Ito, read the 158 pages if you want to 2x, 5x, 100x within the next 12 months. Use tactics in the books and you will generate sale. Tingnan natin dito. Read the 273 pages if you want the 5x or 100x your leads within the next 12 months. Use tactics in this book and you will force leads to find you. Before you can blink, you'll have complete strangers attracted and wanting to buy from you. Using 100 M leads method, it's easier to make fortune because of blah blah blah, stay rich. Okay, tingnan mo. Same. Use organic method to stay rich. As in, discover 100 M leads. Discover art of, tingnan mo. 1,000 of reviews. Ito, dyan lang naiibay. Konti lang yung iniibay. Pero ito, wala sila niyan. Yung maraming verified user. Ito, tingnan natin to. Sold 200k copies sold on release day. Sino ba meron yung kopya nito? Bibilin ko sa inyo. Benta natin kay Boss Toyo. Tuloy natin dito. Ito. Meet Alex Hermosi from 0 to 100 M a year. Learn about Alex Hermosi's incredible increase from brick and mortar owner success, entrepreneur, and investor. Dito naman, learn about Franklin from rise on online number investor to successful entrepreneur and investor. Basically, pare, kinopya kaso konti lang yung inibawa. Tingnan natin. From 0 to 100M, from 0 to 200M na has reached a personal network over 100M by 32. Ito, ganun yung format, pare. Sobrang parehas. Okay. His main company, MSB Academy, gets over 10,000 enrollee students a day. Tangina. Ibang klase ka talaga, Franklin Miano. You're the best. No, just kidding. Ito medyo iba na dito. Lifetime average is 36:1. That means, tingnan natin dito. He has a great online branding. Over 12 months, Franklin, of 10 million people. Talaga ba, sa 10 million na ba yung nag-follow kay Franklin Miano? Mukhang mga, 10 million, di isa sa bawat 10 Pilipino, kilala si Franklin Miano. Yan. 5 million. Pero basically, ganun yung format, pare. Yan, tingnan natin to. 20. Ayan, tingnan natin dito. Parehas na parehas, tol. Ayan na. Ito medyo mahirap kopyahin to sana. What organic marketing will teach you? In his proven for marketing, his companies use of exact method to generate 2 top plus customer per day across 4 different industry, and they do using 8 never go hungry playbook inside. Tingnan natin dito. Ayun din, pare. Acquisition.com in 2003 release. Alex Hermosi released proven strategies for Never go hungry playbook. Never go hungry playbook inside. Just me, Marimar. Iniiba lang talaga. Sits atop of the first, tingnan natin to. This book is my answer to the question marketing. Ito, kay Franklin Miano. Ito yung isa. This book, tol, parehas na parehas, pare. Parehas na parehas talaga. Kasi alam ko, pwede nilang ibahin to kapag maya-maya. Bukas or kung kailan ko man i-upload to para may kopya ako, may digital footprint ako. Baka lumigal tong bata na to. Syempre mas alam natin yung ginagawa natin. Pero basically parehas sila lahat. We wrap up the one-page advertising plan you can create and get more leads sa acquisition.com. Lipat tayo dito. Dito. We wrap up. Grabe naman tong franklinmiano.com na to. Ibang klase. Okay. We help 1,000 entrepreneurs set up their organic machine. Ayan, tingnan natin. This is tingnan natin kung parehas ito. I am currently halfway through Taom after reading twice. I can attest that Franklin knows that he's talking about ito. Ito, pag yan may kaparehas dun sa kabila, GG na. Tingnan natin. I can attest that Alex Hermosi knows that what he's talking about. He doesn't tell you stuff, he relates. Solid fundamental simplified. Tingnan natin kung may parehas. Solid fundamental. Eto, a game changer for the entrepreneurs, a must read. A game changer for... Seryoso ba ito, pare? Actually, Franklin advice isn't just theory. Pag eto parehas, Hamos's advice isn't just theory. Ay, nakyu. Ano ba naman yan? Ito, marami pang ano. Ito yung sa acquisition. Incredible action-oriented frameworks. Ito. Sino tong mga to, tol? Incredible actions-oriented framework. Best invest in my knowledge to date. Most practical step by you can offer for. MSB customer. Pare-parehas na parehas. Tingnan mo. Best investment in my knowledge to date. The most practical step-by-step you can offer. Yan. Organic series learning. Aba ba? Marami ko bang binibenta? Walang yan naman talaga. Tingnan natin. Di yung iba kasi mahirap na talagang kopyahin eh. Kaya ano eh. Pero eto, learn organisly. Putang hindi, organically pala. Tama naman yung spelling. Nico David naman, sobra ka na. Eto, tingnan natin kung meron siya. Wala. Iba na yung nandito. Dami palang, ay hindi. Ayan pala, mali. Meron siyang mga hindi kinokopya, pero karamihan is the same. Ayan, second book, the series is expected to arrive. Hindi, ito. Third book, the series is expected to arrive. And ay. You can get, ito. You can get 2x, 10x, or 100x. Pag yan nandyan, you can get, ano ba naman to? Ay. Ano kaya explanation nila dito? Kasi parehas na parehas eh. As in, halos kinapi-paste. Anyway, kung napapanood nyo to, ibig sabihin nakita nyo na yung sa nd.gg. Ang point ko dito is, ano ba to, Franklin Mian? Ano explanation dito? Bakit parehas na parehas yung format nyo? At saka yung customer, as in the same. The same yung sinabi, ayan o. Yung mga customers talaga eh. Si Carl Vincent may ginaya no. Dito talaga ako bumigay eh. Ayan, no? Anyway mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, hanggang sa susunod na expose, Nico David, Gege mga lods. Bye-bye!